Welcome again to our vlog with MJ and Zion. Play! So ayan, so today is Friday and kagaling lang ni MJ sa school. And sabi ni MJ, anong gusto mong gawin, kuya? What do you want to do? You want to? Gusto daw niya mag-swim. Eh, syempre, medyo malamig pa sa labas, di ba? Eh, gusto
No, it's not.
It's not. It's not. Eh, kasi anak may hangin. So, mama will be cold. But you still want to swim? Yeah?
It's not cold.
Okay.
It's not.
Okay. So, instead of like us going to Tita Ann's place, kasi di ba may swimming pool sila Tita Ann? Kasi we have a friend, Ann Dayanghiran, who had a beautiful swimming pool. Dapat dun kami magsuswim today. But since may pasok later si Dada Manron, we're gonna make our own na lang. We're gonna have a swimming session today. Pero, paano yun? So, we're going to unbox. Oh, Zion, what's that? We're going to unbox this one.
This is Lego.
Yay! So, this is a 10 feet long na family pool. Ayan. So, let's open it. So, ayun na nga, aaminin ko na hindi pala ako prepared mag-inflate ng swimming pool. So, ng inflatable swimming pool. So, gawa tayo ng paraan paano natin malagyan ng air yung inflatable. Since wala kaming air pump and wala dito sa area, chinek ko na sa Facebook Marketplace, wala eh. And kapag bibili naman, it will take time pa. So, mag-DIY tayo. So, what we need is this one. Water bottle, some scotch tape, and scissors, plus ang hair dryer. So, let's do it. Let's do it, MJ.
Yeah.
So, what we're going to do, we're going to cut this one. This. Oops, sorry. Like that.
What to do that?
Yeah, we're going to do a DIY air pump. Ayan. So, let's see if kasha ang hair dryer. Ayan, kasha naman, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, ito naman, lalagyan natin ng scotch tape. Lagyan natin ng scotch tape. Oo, tapos lagay natin dun sa swimming pool. Okay? So, ayan.
American flag.
American flag daw. Okay. Sige, si-swimming daw sila. Gawa ng paraan ng nanay. Okay, so there you go. So, lagay natin dun sa loob. Let's check later. So, nilabas ko na ang swimming pool. Ayan. Hello, MJ and Zion. So, nilabas na lamang namin ang swimming pool na inflatable. And then, lagay na natin to. So, lagay natin dito. Ayan. Kuya?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try to inflate the pool. So, lagay natin dito.
Zion! Zion, get away!
Okay. So, tanggalin muna natin
Get away!
yung pinakamaliit, and then it's open already, and try natin tong ipasok sa loob like that. So hindi siya ganun kakasya, but let's try, and then let's put this one. Let's try it. Nakalagay lang dapat sa cool, so subukan natin. Medyo nag-inflate naman. Oh, it's inflating. So, ayan, na-inflate na natin ang swimming pool. Pero hindi pa masyado kasi laro ng laro si Zion. Hindi ako makatapos kasi ang kulit ni Zion. Oh, kulit-kulit. Okay, let mommy finish it, okay? Then mommy will put water. Alright, kuya?
Yeah!
Alright.
Zion! This is fun.
Ayan, happy si Kuya MJ. Happy si Kuya MJ sa swimming pool. There you go. Whoop. Okay, are you guys ready?
Yeah!
Okay. Okay, go. Oops. Oops. We will not put too much water, okay? Ayan. So, meron na silang swimming pool. Ayan. Pero konti lang yung lalagyan natin na water para hindi naman sila masyadong for for their safety lang. For their safety. So, konti lang. Tsaka hindi masyadong ganun ka inflated yung ating pool. So, siya, nababasa sila. Oops! Kuya! Careful with mama. Ayan, o, diba? Happy ang springtime. Parang summer na din ng konti. Yay! Oops! It's slippery. So be careful, anak, okay? It's slippery. Yee! Zion! Hey, Zion! Okay. Okay, Zion. I'll bring your toys. I'll bring your toys. What happened? Let me see. Let me see this. Sana bump? Where did you bump? Okay, did you bump it there? Oh, that's for that. Ayan, so na-happy naman ang mga bagets. Diba? Okay ba? Ayan, so happy ang mga bagets. Happy din ang mami. Mas nahirapan ako. Ang kulit nila. Ang tagal ko bago talaga na-inflate yung swimming pool na yan. But it's alright. As long as they're happy. Are you happy, MJ and Zion? Yeah, they're happy. So, okay. Zion is cold already.
I'm not.
Okay, see you hug Zion. See, Zion is cold. Hug Zion, hug. You hug Zion. Oh, hug Zion. Are you good, Zion? Do you still want to go on? Huh?
Oh, wait. And then do the biggest one. Let's do the biggest one. Okay, Zion.
Up, careful. Yay. Look at Zion. Look at Zion, kuya.
That's so funny. Not a dog in a box.
So, ito na ang takore. Lagyan natin ng mainit na tubig. Okay. I'll put some hot water, okay? Don't go in here. Don't go in here. Don't go in here. There you go. Yan. Para warm. Alright? Can you feel it? It's warm already?
No,
It's not? Oh, it's
still hot.
still hot? Okay. Okay, let's
That's
wait.
still cold. It's hot.
It's hot? Okay, how do you feel? Alright. Let me check, let me check, let me check. Ay, malamig pa rin, pero it's fine.
It's not.
Pero I put boiling water yun eh. It's fine, anak. Zion, tell mommy if you wanna go na, alright? If you're finished, ha? Ups, kuya. Tell mommy if you're done.
Oh,
So, nilamig na
Mommy!
tong isa.
mommy, look,
What? Nilalamig ka na.
it's my nipple.
Swimming pool. You're, nilalamig ka na.
That's why, the orange.
Okay.
I can't do this.
Oh. What can you say pa? Ah.
I can subscribe
Ito.
to your channel.
Alright. Okay. Oh. Masarap ba yung water?
Cry. Thank you. Bye.
Later pa yun, anak. Nilalamig pa. Nilalamig lang si Zion. So, mamaya, babalik siya. Babalik ka pa ba sa water? Hindi na, no? Kasi you're cold already. Mommy will hug you na lang. Mommy will hug. Oh, hug Zion.
What?
Hug Zion. Hug. Puna sa
Mommy, look. Oh, I saw something over there.
Oh.
That's the cup water.
No, baby. Oh, naku, Dada is there na. Ayun, nakita. You sit down here. Sit down. Sit down there.
Lolo pa. Lolo. Ay!
You go here first. Kuya, you go here first. Hugas mo na. Yan. There you go.
I put the water.
Okay. Good job, babe. There you go. And then you go back. There you go. Good job, baby.
Uy, bata. Lamig?
Yakap-yakapin mo nga. Ala, yun na. Yun na. Good job, anak. naglamig at nagkaroon ng bubu si Kuya MJ. It's the end of our video and we thank you so much for watching again our vlog. And what will you say, Kuya?
Like and subscribe to our channel again.
Like and subscribe to our channel so we can do more vlogs and videos in the future. Okay, say bye.